I'm going to show you how to leave a purple note on Instagram. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you go to the App Store and you actually want to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. As you can see, if I click on it here, it currently gives me the option to click on open, meaning it is fully up to date. But if we actually go over to the app and you can see you can swipe to the side right here to messages option, you can actually see some of these people's notes are purple while others are not. But if you want to make yours purple, what you want to do is if I just type in a random word such as January like so and just click on share, you can actually see note will not be purple. So what you want to do to make it purple is you delete this note, and I've made a handy little list of all these handy little words that will actually make your Instagram notes purple. Now we've got 2024, 2025, New Year, this party emoji, or this other party emoji like so. And as you can see, if we just put any of these emojis just in our Instagram note like so, you can even add more text if you would like, but you need to include some of these key phrases. You click on share, you can see it will make your note purple, and even throw some confetti if you do use the party emojis that I have right here. And you can see it's easy to make your notes purple. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend so they can also have their notes purple, and subscribe and like the videos so others